Do welcome people, welcome back to the Just Vibes Radio channel. And if you're a new viewer, make sure you say subscribe now and click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. I hope everybody alright, everybody okay, Zita, I've been missing for quite some time now, my people. But anyways, yo, my people, the month, the year ain't even started, and we realize, yo, one bag of things are going on, Zita, BF are going on right now. Be things, my people. So, we're gonna jump into the matter right now. So if you're a new viewer, make sure you say subscribe now and click that bell icon, turn on your post notification, and also comment if you have any opinion that you want me to know. We can go through them. You see it. Some people, according to news source, 8 persons were shot, 3 fatal by gunmen along a section of Mullines Road in Kingston 8 on Tuesday night, February 4th. The police have not yet released the identities of the 3 deceased, but they have indicated that a teenage boy is among those killed. Reports by the police are that shortly after 8:30 p.m. on Tuesday night, all 8 persons were standing along a section of Mullines Road known as Ackee Walk when armed men traveling in a motor car drove up and opened fire on the crowd. 8 persons, including the 3 deceased, received gunshot wounds and they were rushed to the hospital where the 3 were pronounced dead and the 5 wounded persons admitted in serious condition. Police say they believe that this latest attack is part of an ongoing gang warfare which has been taking place between men living in several Kingston communities for some time now. My people, you hear that? Oh, the year just started and we've seen a spike increase already in the crime level. You see it? We have seen a spike increase. For January alone, it was recorded that 136 persons that already died in January alone. You see it? And that increased by about 15% compared to last year January. You see me? Some people, a bit things are going right now, and with a prediction, I'm thinking that the crime rate go so high this year, that go increase by probably 60%. The rate where the people are going upon right now. You see it, people. So I don't know what to say. It seems like the government, they said that they've in place something or strategic method to curtail the crime level, and we still see how people are every day. In fact, we have seen here where persons are even committing crime in places where it should be highly populated by police, right? You can't see me correct on the one there though. Because just the other day someone was gunned down right and constant somewhere where we expected to see a lot of police. But guess what? When we realize, you see them police there in the morning when you go work, cause guess what? They want to eat a lunch, but they want to eat a food from the taxi driver them and the bus driver them. You see, so when they touch down the hours now, they're gone. You see me, so them don't really care about the people them. At the end of the day, these persons, and me not go say all of them still, you see. Me not go be so judgmental if you say all of them. But yeah, majority of these persons who are serving the country, you see, they don't really care. As me saying in one video before, persons who are entering the force now, or persons who are going into politics right now to serve the country. These persons are people who basically are trying to make a living for them family. So they must say, me come concede, so I'm not trying to make no change. They must try eat a food off a week. Like for example, a policeman you see, a shooting going along there, so he nah go, he nah go. He must act like him not care. Because, and sometimes we can't too blame them too, because there was an incident back in Ackee, in Kingston, St. Andrew, whereas something happened. I can't remember what exactly happened, but it was recently where like a gunman like shooting after each other in broad daylight, and a policeman saw what happened and hope fire shot at the gunman. You see, they know say in the come approve the situation right now. They know say the man in the force again, all because someone or an innocent person was shot. You see, but at the end of the day, remember there was a fight, gunmen a shoot after each other. You see, and him a try intercept what really are going on, and unfortunately shot catch somebody when they are go about them business. You see, so we realize on the other hand, the police them not really want, you see me, especially in a highly populated area. But then again, I don't know if it's still, but my narrative is just that them people where serve the country to protect we as the citizens, they don't really care. At the end of the day, everybody a try make a living for them family. You see me, so when you hear them government they come and promise we say corruption, me here Andrew will tackle a situation, say corruption are gonna end this year. Well, not end, sorry. Them a try them best to limit the amount of corruption within the force and within the government sector or whatever. You see it, but corruption cannot limit it are going to increase more and more, because it all boils down to the fact that persons who are getting these positions are just seeking for themselves and their family. You see, we see with the rural read situation, even though we don't want to talk about that, you see, we see it in a lot of cases where persons are just doing it for themselves and them friend. You see me? So my people, me believe say yo, the crime rate are going to increase this year drastically, you see, because we see it already. It start off with persons are killing themselves and killing people and killing others and killing themselves. We realize yo, people are dead again, gunshot and big things are going on, people. You see me? Big things are going on. Remember, it was day before yesterday, someone had died. It was a pump attendant in the panic work, and man just walk up on him broadly, like brawling, you see it, and dash him. You see me? So them things that I show here now, Jamaica reach a stage where people don't really care. Gone were the days when somebody do a crime, them are afraid because them are say, oh jeez, and peace. Police up on the road, man, and something like that. But now, them man them know see how them friend of police, and the police man too care. Them care about the taxi people, them man eating a food off of them. Them man do them thing brawling, you see me? But something have to do about this, you see, something have to do about this. And again, me say yo, you see them government people here, them not gonna take strategic measures or action until somebody kick off for them door and do for them family something, you see me? Cause them don't really understand what really are going on. Just imagine, yo, I hate people get caught, you know? Hate people, you see it, they on ends off and 2 car drive up and open shot pan, you see it. Me know say among those 8 persons, me know say innocent people get shot up, you see it. Persons would even realize what really are going on, children, old people, cause 8 people are enough people, you see it. And man, them just fling can so 3 succumb to them injury and you have the rest hospitalized in serious condition, you see it. So a lot of things are going on in Jamaica right now, right across Jamaica, you see it. And we understand day by day, see yo, these persons in authority don't really care. Them don't give a fret about we as a people, you see me? You see it. Some people, me don't know. It rough year and the year just start. We've seen a spike in the crime rate thus far, and we're just in February. So me don't know. Comment if you think even the Zozo thing even makes sense. Because we see Mrs. Zozo a blow. I was part of the name. Maxfield, Mrs. Also a Maxfield, and Mrs. was up on them phone and text and I eat food. And me can't tell you, shut a bus around there, so them don't know what really are going on. And if it do happen, by the time them for reach when there's a police, gunman gone already. So it don't make no sense to me, people. This Zozo thing here don't make no sense. So comment in the comment section below what you think about them the crime rate thus far and the year just barely start. I want to think the Zozo makes sense. Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, Just Vibes Trader.